Hello everyone, welcome back my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add Amazon search box in your customer website or any website like WordPress that build on CMS like WordPress, Shopify or anything. Okay, I will show you it first on our local sites that we have made HTML, CSS and JavaScript and other language, and then I will share it with WordPress. Okay, let's start. At first we need to discuss about how it work. That's mean how it will work. Like here is a beauty keyword. When I click enter, then looking the keyword, here is a URL. We're looking at URL that here is amazon.com, then s/s. We need this one. Okay, this is my project file. And here I'm start coding. At first I'm taking HTML basic format that I'm sharing with first HTML project, then I will share it WordPress. Okay, then take form tag, HTML form tag, and action 100% will be this. Action will be this, and we need method will get and target. We want to set a target blank. Okay, we are okay with form. Then we need a input field like input field, and here is a type will be hidden. SIDDN type will be hidden, and then we need a name attribute. It will be tag, and then we need just one input for searching. We need a input type will be text, and placeholder field like this, name field or field keyword, and then placeholder will be searching for product or something that you like I'm editing here like a search for Amazon or search Amazon, search AMAZON Amazon. Okay, that's it. And then I'm adding a button like input time button, and submit type will be submit. Sorry, SUBMIT, submit. Okay, and value will source that you want. That I'm adding a search. Okay, here work is done. Like here I'm adding a Amazon title will be Amazon, and then I'm opening my file from here. Okay, this is my output from this file. Okay, like here I'm typing test or like t-shirt. It says shirt. Like, okay, it's work fine. Here I type shirt and then click search. It will it going Amazon search box automatically. It's going Amazon search box from our custom website. Okay, that's for custom website. Then I am adding this on our WordPress website. Let's work. Okay, we just copy this thing. Like, we don't need body part or HTML part. We don't need this. We just take form. Okay, and then I'm starting PHP. That's not a required from here. Okay, that's taking a function called shortcode or something like SAO RT code shortcode. Okay, something like this. And then I'm taking another function start underscore ob It's a WordPress function. Close and then start back PHP and paste the and start PHP and call this in return. We need to return turn return get av underscore clean cle in clean function. Okay, close. Okay, we make sure we are going to search it on Google. Okay, that I have make a mistake. We just take this. Oh, we get clean. Okay, that's okay. And we need hook this function. Add shortcode SHORTCOD shortcode, and here is the function. First argument will be like Amazon underscore search is here, say search, and then second argument will be second part will be function, and then close the function and copy this and go your WordPress website and find here appearance. When you will hover over appearance, then you will get a sub menu or theme file editor. Here we'll find a function.php, like okay, function.php, and then go to the bottom. You can add it anywhere. I'm just adding here. Okay, this was my previous code. Copy and paste here and upload this. Okay, successfully updated, and then I need to create a page that I have already created and edit this. Okay, from here I just replace my shortcut and update CSS are already saved, and then view the page. Okay, after refreshing I see there is my input field and there is a submit button. Like searching like Amazon, like I'm searching shirt shirt for men and click submit button. Okay, here is a result. Okay, we are done, and I see everything is working fine. I did not add CSS code. If you want, you can do CSS. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel and like, comment, share.